Hello and welcome on our YouTube channel. My name is Lucas, I'm here in UMIDIGI headquarters in Shenzhen, and today I would like to show you our newest product, the UMIDIGI A5 Pro. Let's take a look at the box first. Inside we find our thank you card, just to say thank you to you for purchasing our product. On the back you can find the newest information about our giveaways, where you can win some more phones. The next is the phone. It comes with a case in leather optic and a pre-installed screen protector. Please pay attention when you lose the first protector that you don't lose the second one. Then we found our UMIDIGI letter with the SIM tray ejector and the manual. The next thing is the 10-watt quick charge adapter. And last but not least, we have our typical red UMIDIGI USB cable. Let's take a closer look at the display. We got a 6.3-inch water drop full screen display with 19:9 ratio and 2280 by 1080 resolution. On the left hand side we have a triple SIM slot. That means you can not only put two SIM cards in it, but also a micro SD card. On the right hand side there are the volume buttons and the power on button. On the bottom there is the micro USB port, an audio jack and the speakers. Same as in the front, we got a 2.5D curved glass back cover. Furthermore, on the back we can find the UMIDIGI logo, a fingerprint sensor and a triple camera, which is very special for a phone for less than $150. The first sensor is a 16MP Sony IMX398 sensor with 1.8 aperture. The second sensor is an 8MP ultra wide angle sensor with 120-degree wide angle. The last sensor is a 5MP depth sensor, just to apply some nice bokeh shots on your photos. Then we got a dual LED flash. The dimensions are 15.6 cm by 7.5 cm. The thickness is 8.2 mm, which is very thin for the big battery. The weight is 203 grams. And the colors are space gray, like here, or breathing crystal. The most important thing is what's inside a phone. Of course, the UMIDIGI A5 Pro is an entry-level phone, but with really good specs. Inside we got a Helio P23 octa-core processor, which is supported by 4GB RAM. Furthermore, we got 32GB storage, which can be extended up to 256GB via micro SD card. The system is an Android 9 stock system without any bloatware or something like that, and the phone supports GPS, GLONASS and Baidu for navigation. You got global and LTE bands, which means that you can use the phone with 4G internet connection everywhere over the world. The price of the UMIDIGI A5 Pro will be $139.99. But because of the global sale that started today, it's $99.99, and we're hosting a brand festival together with AliExpress, where you can get some coupons, so you can get the A5 Pro even for less than $90. On the brand sale on AliExpress, which is on May 21st and May 22nd, you can also get big discounts on our other phones. If you don't want to miss all our news or news products, don't forget to subscribe us on YouTube, follow us on Facebook and Instagram or Twitter, and maybe subscribe to our newsletter. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time!